Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do these 3 really quick and easy hairstyles which are perfect for Christmas. To start, I'm going to do a low twisted chignon. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face on both sides, and I'm going to divide the hair in half from the top of the ears. Smooth this to the back of the head and secure it into a clear elastic band. Make a hole behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Then take that little ponytail, pass it to your fingers and pull it through the hole to create a twist. Apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair on top of the head and also on both of those twists to create a little bit more texture. Divide the remaining hair in half, and working on the right hand side I'm going to secure it into a low ponytail, but on the last turn of the elastic band only pull the tail ends part way through to create a small loop. Then just repeat it on the left hand side. So make a ponytail and pull the ends part way through to create another loop. Now I'm going to take my fingers and pop them all the way through the middle of the loop on the right hand side. And then I'm going to grab the entire loop from the left hand side and pull it all the way through. Hold these to the head and secure with a few bobby pins down either side to make sure that they stay nice and secure. So we've just got to deal with those tail ends. So again, I'm popping a clear elastic band on the ends. And on the last turn we're going to make the same little loop that we did with the others, and then I'm just going to wrap it around my fingers and tuck it up and underneath and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I normally put up 2 videos a week on a Wednesday and a Friday. Now moving on to hairstyle number 2, this is probably the easiest low bun hairstyle you'll ever do. To start, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides and clip this out of the way. Next, I'm going to gather the hair into a ponytail, but I'm going to take out a small section of hair just behind the ear, and we're going to do this on both sides of the head. Just tie the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to add a little bit of wax spray across the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then just use your fingers to loosen everything up a little bit so it's not so tight. Then I'm simply going to do a 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom. Keep this as loose as you can. Then just taking the ends, I'm going to roll the braid up itself all the way until it reaches the head. Then use your fingers to spread out those side sections and secure with bobby pins all the way around the outside of that bun. Now taking that bit we left out behind the ear, I'm going to just curl this away from the face. And then we're going to do the same on the piece of hair behind the left ear. And then we're simply going to push each of these curls up to the side of the bun and then just secure them in place with a bobby pin or 2. Add some texture spray to those curls. Again, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then use your fingers to pinch and pull at the edge to give them a little bit of messy volume. And then last, the hair that we left out to frame the face, we're going to curl this away from the face on both sides. And again, add some texture spray and pinch and pull until you're happy with the look. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this hairstyle. Now the last hairstyle is a really easy chignon, and this works on all hair textures and types. To start, I'm going to leave some hair out to frame the face on both sides of the head and clip them out of the way for later. I'm then going to add some texture powder to the roots. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now I've decided to backcomb the hair. You can totally skip this step if you don't like backcombing, but I take small sections from the top of the head working my way backwards, just backcombing a tiny bit at the roots. And then once you've got everything backcombed, just flip them all back over and use the very tip of your comb to smooth out the top layer. Now I'm going to add some wax spray to the top of the head. Again, I'll link it below. Now gather all the hair from the ear upwards and secure it into a ponytail at the back of the head. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull the hair at the crown for more volume and texture. Then we're just going to secure all of the remaining hair into a low ponytail. And then we're just going to add another elastic band a couple of inches below the shoulders to the middle of that ponytail. And then if your hair's super long like my client, you just braid it all the way down to the end and then secure it with an elastic band. On the last turn of the band, only pull the tail ends part way through to create a loop. And now we're just going to take that braided section and I'm just going to roll it up the outside of that braid, and you keep rolling until you meet the head. Then take that whole section and we're just going to flip it over so it meets the nape of the neck, and then hold it to the head and secure it with quite a few bobby pins at the top and on both sides to make sure it's nice and secure. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.